Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to properly use Google Gemini. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Using Google Gemini, formerly Bard, effectively depends on what you are trying to achieve, whether it's for productivity, creativity, research, or just casual help. In order to use Gemini AI, what you need to do first is head over and open up your App Store. Then on the search bar, type in Gemini AI, and then once you hit enter, look for an app icon like this on your search list. Then simply tap on it. And now on tapping it, you'll be getting a get button highlighted in blue color. Simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen process to successfully download the Gemini AI app. Now once you have downloaded the app, simply tap on open and then be sure to be logged into your account with your credentials as well. Now in order to get started with using Google Gemini, what you need to do is you need to decide what you can use Gemini for. Gemini can be used for creative writing, for generating poems, stories, blog, posts or scripts. Example, saying write a poem about exploration in the style of Dr. Seuss, or you can use it for research and summaries as well. Summarize long articles, research papers or YouTube videos. You can use it for productivity and organization as well by creating a to-do list, schedules, meeting summaries, and you can use it for work and study help as well, for writing emails, resumes, cover letters, project outlines, solve math problems, explain concepts or generate code snippets. Now, tips for best results are to be clear and specific. The more detailed your prompt, the better the response is. Then use follow-up questions. You can ask Gemini to expand, clarify or rephrase any response. And then you can use the drafts features as well. Gemini gives you multiple drafts. You can view and compare them to pick the one you like the best as well. If you are using Gemini on Android, then if Gemini has replaced Google Assistant on your Android device, say hey Google, then ask a question, it will open Gemini, or hold the power button if that's how your assistant is triggered. If you are a Google One subscriber, you can access Gemini Advanced, which handles longer and more complex tasks, can analyze PDFs, code files, spreadsheets and etc. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.